Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, businesses across the globe have been affected. The automobile industry has also taken a big hit and some dealerships are on the verge of shutting down. Chennai-based motorcycle manufacturer Royal Enfield had registered 91 units in sales for April 2020 due to the suspension in production activities. Royal Enfield has posted sales figures where the company sold 38,065 units in the month of June 2020 against the sales of 58,339 units for the same month in 2019. Despite the fall in the sales figure, the company has managed to sell quite a lot of units despite the nationwide lockdown scenario. Recently, Royal Enfield also increased the prices of its iconic Classic 350 and the adventure bike Himalayan BS6 in the Indian market. The Himalayan BS6 and the Classic 350 now retails at a starting price of Rs 1,89,565 and 1,59,851 respectively. All prices mentioned are ex-showroom Delhi. The Royal Enfield Classic 350 is sold in two variants. The base variant that features single-channel ABS and the top spec trim features dual-channel ABS. The motorcycle is powered by an updated version of the same 346cc single-cylinder air-cooled BS6 engine. The engine produces 19.8 bhp and 28 Nm of torque and comes mated to a standard 5-speed gearbox. The new Himalayan continues to be powered by the same engine which has been updated to meet BS6 standards. The single-cylinder, air-oil-cooled, fuel-injected 411cc engine produces a maximum power of 24 bhp at 6,500 rpm and a peak torque of 32 Nm between 4,000 rpm to 4,500 rpm. The engine comes mated to a standard 6-speed gearbox. Apart from the cleaner engine and the new colors, the rest of the bike remains the same as the BS4 variant. Well, since our government has eased up the lockdown, it is good to see that the manufacturers are slowly gaining pace as far as the number of units sold is concerned. We hope that this situation comes back to normal soon.
Indian Drives reported about how Honda Cars is upgrading its portfolio. One after another, they are launching BS6 models of their products. Honda has announced that it will be launching the all-new 5th generation Honda City on July 15, 2020 in the Indian market. Honda was supposed to launch the 5th generation City earlier this year, but due to the coronavirus pandemic, the launch had to be postponed. The 2020 City features a host of new updates inside and out over the new model. The new Honda City gets full LED headlamps, 9 lights placed in series with integrated LED DRL and L-shaped LED turn signal. Coming to the side, the first thing that will catch one's attention is the 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheel that is finished in a dual-tone paint scheme. The sedan features sporty shoulder lines and creases that run the entire length of the car from the headlight to the tail light. On the inside, the sedan gets an all-new dashboard with an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. It also gets the segment-first Alexa remote voice assistant feature along with the brand's latest connected technology with the telematics control unit that offer over 32 connected features. The 2020 Honda City is offered with 1.5-litre petrol and diesel engine options. The 1.5-litre iV Tech produces 120 bhp of power and 145 Nm of peak torque. On the other hand, the 1.5-litre ID Tech diesel unit churns out 100 bhp of power and 200 Nm of peak torque. Both the units come mated to a standard 6-speed manual gearbox with an optional 7-speed CVT automatic transmission offered on the petrol variants only. Honda has equipped the 5th generation City with many best-in-class features and will be available in both petrol and diesel powertrain. Once launched, the Honda City will go up against the likes of new Hyundai Verna, the Skoda Rapid, the Volkswagen Vento and the Toyota Yaris in the Indian market. Renault Kwid is one of the most affordable and economical car in the Indian market. Now, Renault India has expanded the Kwid portfolio by introducing a new variant, RXL. The Renault Kwid RXL variant now comes powered with the BS6 compliant 1.0-litre engine and is offered with a starting price of Rs 4.16 lakh ex-showroom Delhi. The 1.0-litre engine on the Renault Kwid RXL variant is offered with both manual and automatic transmission units. The Renault Kwid RXL 1.0-litre with the automatic gearbox is priced slightly higher at Rs 4.48 lakh ex-showroom Delhi. The new Renault Kwid RXL variant now comes powered by the 999cc 3-cylinder petrol engine. It produces 67 bhp at 5,500 rpm and 91 Nm of torque at 4,250 rpm. As mentioned before, the engine comes mated to either a 5-speed manual or an automatic transmission. The automatic version of the Renault Kwid 1.0-litre RXL is now the most affordable BS6 compliant 2-pedal offering in the Indian market. Renault also announced that the sales of the Kwid hatchback in the Indian market have crossed over 3.5 lakh units since its launch. The company has also registered over 45,000 units of exports of the Kwid to other international markets as well. Venkatram, country CEO and managing director, Renault India Operations, said the global launch of Renault Kwid was in India and showcased the important role of this country in Group Renault's growth ambitions. Kwid has been an important contributor to our progress in India. With more than 3.5 lakh Kwid families, we are overwhelmed and grateful for the faith that our customers have bestowed in brand Renault, which was a breakthrough product in terms of design, innovation and modernity at the time of launch, continues to be a game changer for the Renault. The Renault Kwid in India is offered in a range of 6 variants: Standard, RXE, RXL, RXT, RXT Optional and Climber. The Standard, RXE and RXL come powered by a smaller 800cc 3-cylinder unit. It produces 53 bhp and 72 Nm of peak torque and comes mated to a standard 5-speed manual gearbox. The mid-spec RXL and the RXT variants among those offered with both engine options. The Renault Kwid has been one of the brand's best-selling models in the Indian market. The entry-level offering is an extremely attractive offering in its segment, rivaling the likes of the Maruti Suzuki Espresso.
Honda Motorcycles and Scooter India has launched the BS6 compliant X-Blade in the Indian market. The Honda X-Blade BS6 motorcycle is offered in 2 variants, single disc and double disc, both of which come with a host of new features and equipment. The new Honda X-Blade BS6 motorcycle is offered with a starting price of Rs 1.05 lakh ex-showroom Delhi. Bookings for the new motorcycle are now open across all company dealerships in the country, with deliveries for the same set to begin soon as well. The new Honda X-Blade BS6 motorcycle now comes with an updated version of the same 160cc single-cylinder air-cooled engine. It produces 13.67 bhp at 8,000 rpm and 14.7 Nm of peak torque at 5,500 rpm, mated to the same 5-speed gearbox. Honda claims that the engine on the new BS6 compliant X-Blade motorcycle comes with the brand's programmed fuel injection. The system is said to come with 8 onboard sensors which ensure optimum air-fuel mixture for improved performance and efficiency. The new Honda X-Blade BS6 motorcycle now features a refreshed design which looks more modern and sporty than its predecessor. This includes a new Robocop design to the LED headlamp unit, LED tail lamps, more sculpted fuel tank and dual outlet exhaust. Other updates also include fresh body graphics, new alloy wheel design and split grab rails among others. The new X-Blade comes with telescopic front forks and a monoshock suspension set up on the motorcycle. Braking is handled by a 276mm disc at the front and either a 220mm disc or 130mm drum brakes at the rear, depending on the variant, supported by single-channel ABS as standard. The motorcycle weighs in at 146 kg for the base variant, while the top spec trim is 1 kg heavier at 147 kg. The Honda X-Blade BS6 motorcycle is offered in a range of 4 vibrant color schemes as well. This includes Pearl Spartan Red, Pearl Igneous Black, Matte Axis Grey Metallic and Matte Marvel Blue Metallic.
Bajaj Auto has launched the new Platina 100 disc brake with ES, that is electric start, in the Indian market. The commuter motorcycle retails at Rs 59,373 ex-showroom Delhi. The newly launched variant is now the motorcycle's new top-of-the-line trim. Bajaj Platina is one of the most economical, affordable and best-selling bikes in the Indian market. Alongside its newly launched trim, the Platina is also available in 2 other trims: the ES alloy with drum brakes and the Kickstart alloy, which is priced at Rs 55,546 and Rs 49,261 ex-showroom Delhi respectively. The BS6 commuter motorcycle features few upgrades over the previous model, including an all-new engine. The Platina 100 is powered by an air-cooled single-cylinder E-carbureted 102cc engine. It produces a maximum of 7.77 bhp at 7,500 rpm and 8.34 Nm of peak torque at 5,500 rpm. The engine comes mated to a standard 4-speed gearbox. Apart from the updated engine, Bajaj has also subtly tweaked the Platina 100 BS6 to tell it apart from the previous model. It features a new tinted windscreen as compared to the color-matched cowl on the BS4 model. The LED DRL is also placed closer to the headlamp, making for a cleaner-looking fascia. The Platina 100 BS6 motorcycles also feature a new ribbed pattern seat borrowed from its elder sibling, the Platina 110 Edge Gear. It also features an updated suspension setup with 28% longer travel at the front and 22% longer travel at the rear. The Platina 100 is known for its exceptional fuel efficiency, and the company claims the motorcycle to return a mileage of 90 km per liter. Couple the mileage with an 11-liter fuel tank on the motorcycle. It gives a riding range of 990 km between trips to the petrol pump. Renault India has announced discounts and offers on select models in the brand's lineup. The models covered under the scheme are the Kwid, the Triber, and the brand's flagship model, the Duster compact SUV. Automobiles saw a huge decline in sales due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Hence, to boost these sales, many automobile manufacturers, including Renault, are offering discounts on its products. The discounts offered by the company during this month include cash savings, exchange bonuses, corporate discounts, loyalty bonus, and a special cash discount for buyers from the rural parts of the country, powered by Rubicon project. Total benefits of up to Rs 70,000 are being offered during July. The discount offers vary with model and variant of the vehicle and are valid until July 31, 2020. Additionally, the company is also offering a unique finance scheme called Buy Now Pay Later and make owning a new car easier. The Buy Now Pay Later finance scheme dictates that buyers can purchase a Renault car immediately and not pay any EMIs for the first 3 months from the date of purchase. The scheme is being offered to support the purchase of new vehicles during the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic in the country. Here are models-wise details of offers and discounts. The Renault Kwid is an entry-level hatchback and is offering benefits of up to Rs 35,000 this month. Renault is also offering a corporate discount or a rural bonus of Rs 4,000 to each customer. Both the offers are applicable only after the documents are validated by the company. The Renault Triber is an extremely versatile compact MPV that can seat a maximum of 7 passengers, including the driver. It is being offered with the benefits of up to Rs 30,000. The company is offering Duster with benefits of up to Rs 60,000. These offers will certainly help in gaining the interest of the customers. What are your thoughts on this?